Thailand is a collage of animated scenes that comprise bustling modern cities crowded with tuk-tuks, Buddhist temples tended by orange-robed monks, hill tribes selling handicrafts, lush landscapes dotted with traditional farming villages, and stunning coastlines peppered with gorgeous beaches and blue lagoons. Such a captivating portrait explains why Thailand is Southeast Asia's most popular travel destination. Here's a look at the best places to visit in Thailand. Number 10. Koh Chang. Located near the border with Cambodia, Koh Chang is the third largest island in Thailand and the biggest in the Koh Chang Marine Park archipelago. It is a mountainous island known for several waterfalls, thriving coral reefs, rainforests, and long, white sandy beaches. In less than 10 years, Koh Chang has become a major tourist destination in Thailand, although still far quieter than islands like Phuket or Koh Samui.